Look at that baby bee. It looks like a baby to me, but it may not be. Oh, that's no pun intended. I love to see nature at work. It's a Sunday, and he's or she, it's working. They don't take a day off. Look at his friend right there. Let me get out of the sunlight so that you can, goodness gracious, I can't seem to get out of the sunlight. Look at that thing. Just trying to get all the pollen. This one there. And where's the other one? The other one is right there. Let me turn the camera so I can get both of them. Oh man, he flew away. It circled around like it was going to come back, but I think these are my coneflowers. Let me see the little stick inside. What does it say? I think these are coneflowers. Yes. It's called coneflower sombrero. These just are working. Or she. I like to get as close as possible. Look at that. Beautiful. I don't see the other one. It flew away. I might have scared it. This one isn't scared. It says, shoot, you can use your little camera, but I have work to do. My gosh, what was that? Wow. Goodbye, little... Oh, he jumped to the other one. Goodbye, little bee. Goodbye.